This is a piece that I'm working on today. I got this at a thrift store actually in West Tennessee. Had it for a long time. Just kind of trying to decide what I wanted to do with it, where I wanted to put it. And I'm excited about what I'm going to do to it today. But I just kind of wanted to, I'm going to lay it down to paint it. So I kind of wanted to like just give you a little look at it before I lay it down. It's awesome. You can see this side, the cool handles that are on it. Okay, let's go over here. Another cool handle on it. Love it. Oh my gosh, I just love this piece. I love cool little things like this. Okay, now, voila, look at this. It opens up, okay, awesome, great for storage, but actually what it was meant for is a sewing box. See, these little things right here are little spindles that you'd actually put your thread on. And you know, I'm sure you could use it for all kinds of other things, but a sewing box is really what I think it was used for, and it's still in really good shape. But what I'm going to do with it, I am going to, I love the color of the wood, so I'm going to paint all of it except for these awesome handles and this top, and we are going to sand this. We're going to see what we've got. You can see right there that it is pretty rough. So we're going to sand this. We're going to see what it looks like. We may just put a sealer on it. We may restain it. But, you know, that's one of those things you just kind of have to wait and see. But like I said, I just wanted to give you a little shot of it at this angle before I turn it over, because the rest of the video, it's going to be laying down. Look at those pretty little legs. Those spindle legs. I absolutely love them. This is going to be beautiful when I'm finished.